Vegetables are an essential part of our daily diet, but did you know there are different types like leafy, root, fruiting, and more? Root vegetables. Root vegetables are edible plants where the root is consumed as food. What is this called? Carrot? What is this called? Beetroot? What is this called? Turnip? What is this called? Radish? What is this called? Sweet potato? What is this called? Yam? What is this called? Parsnip? What is this called? Ginger? Fruiting vegetables. Fruiting vegetables are vegetables that grow from the flowering part of a plant and contain seeds. What is this called? Tomato? What is this called? Cucumber? What is this called? Bell pepper? What is this called? Eggplant? Brinjal? What is this called? Pumpkin? What is this called? Bitter gourd? What is this called? Bottle gourd? What is this called? Ridge gourd? What is this called? Snake gourd? What is this called? Ash gourd? What is this called? Ivy gourd? What is this called? Pointed gourd? Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables are a group of nutrient-rich vegetables from the Brassica family, characterized by their cross-shaped flower petals. What is this called? Broccoli? What is this called? Cauliflower? What is this called? Brussels sprouts? What is this called? Kohlrabi? Pod vegetables. Pod vegetables are edible vegetables that grow in pods, typically containing seeds. The pod itself or the seeds inside may be consumed. What is this called? Green beans? What is this called? Peas? What is this called? Okra, ladyfinger. Bulb vegetables. Bulb vegetables are plants where the edible part grows underground in the form of a bulb. These vegetables often have layers and are commonly used to add flavor to dishes. What is this called? Onion? What is this called? Garlic? What is this called? Shallot? What is this called? Leek? Tuber vegetables. Tuber vegetables are plants where the edible part is a thickened, underground stem or root that stores nutrients. These vegetables are rich in carbohydrates and energy. What is this called? Potato. What is this called? Cassava. What is this called? Taro. Stalk vegetables. Stalk vegetables are plants where the edible part is the stem or stalk. These vegetables are often crisp and provide a distinct texture to dishes. What is this called? Celery. What is this called? Asparagus. What is this called? Bamboo shoots. Leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetables are edible plant leaves. What is this called? Spinach. What is this called? Kale. What is this called? Lettuce. What is this called? Cabbage. What is this called? Swiss chard. What is this called? Watercress. What is this called? Mustard greens. What is this called? Arugula. Other vegetables. What is this called? Corn. What is this called? Mushroom. What is this called? Artichoke. What is this called? Seaweed. Don't forget to include these nutritious options in your meals for a healthy lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe,